How to cancel or delete Namecheap domain. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I will guide you how you can cancel or delete your domain on Namecheap. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, go to namecheap.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're on your account dashboard, now head towards this menu bar on your left hand side, click on domain list. That's gonna take you to your domain list. From your list, you have to find the domain that you want to cancel. After you are done with that, now go to manage button next to that domain. After that, you have to turn off the auto renew. So toggle off the auto renew, and once you have done with that, this ensures that the domain won't be renewed automatically after it gets expired. So once you're done with that, you cannot directly delete your domain on Namecheap. For that, you have to request for the cancellation. Now, in order to request for the Namecheap domain cancellation, you have to go to the Namecheap support. For that, open up a new tab and then type in Namecheap support. After that, go to the first link on your interface. Now you'll be taken into Namecheap support. Here, you could directly chat with the live chat here. Click on this live chat at the bottom right corner, and in this chat box, you could simply type in that you would like to cancel or delete your domain. Also provide your domain name, and once you're done with that, simply send your request to the live chat. Now once you have submitted your request, the support agent will confirm your process. Then you have to wait for the confirmation, and the support agent will confirm the process. Then you have to wait for the confirmation. That's it. That's how you can delete or cancel domains in Namecheap, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.